Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into mBank on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the mBank app. First unlock your iPhone and tap on the mBank app icon. Make sure your phone is connected to internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. You can log in using Face ID or Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on your settings. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on the sensor. The app will quickly and securely verify your identity. Step 4. Login with PIN code. If biometric are not enabled, enter your mBank mobile PIN on the screen. Always cover the screen and make sure no one can see your PIN. Step 5. Successfully login. Once logged in, you will see the main dashboard where you can check your balance, credit cards, payments, and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip. For your security, never share your PIN or phone. If you have trouble logging in, tap forward PIN or contact mBank support through the app. And that's how you can log in mBank mobile banking app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.